You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases from Latin. If you want to learn more Latin expressions that are often confusing and mispronounced, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. So this is a legal term. Functus. That's the English pronunciation here. In Latin, be functus. In English, functus officio. Officio. The stress is on the fish syllable. Functus officio. Functus officio in Latin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.